Hey guys, it's me, your favorite YouTuber, Sharika. So today, obviously, I'm finally done with the 7 days challenge of me putting Vaseline on my face. Growing up, I've always seen my mom putting Vaseline on her face, and I was always curious because I literally hated the feeling of putting Vaseline on my face. I mean, she would literally smear it on my face and I hated it. So yeah, here's me literally putting on Vaseline on my face for 7 days. And you know, the funny thing is, yeah, it worked so well. The benefits of using Vaseline, it would literally take away the dryness of your skin. But if you have acne or if you're dealing with acne or pimples, please, I do not recommend you to use it because honestly, it's not good if you've got acne and pimples and all that. But Vaseline is actually really good. I remember like every time I would get cuts and all that, obviously I grew up with like 3 sisters, so we would literally pinch each other all the time, right? And what my mom would do is that she would put Vaseline on me and or my sister's scars, because obviously we would pinch each other and there would be scars on, you know, on their hand and all that. So my mom would actually put Vaseline on the scars so that it wouldn't, I mean, so that there would be no scars or anything left behind. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So it is day 6, I think. I didn't really record day 5, even though I did put my Vaseline on my face. But I noticed one thing is that I ended up having some sort of breakout. I think it's because of the weather, because of how cold it really is. So I'm staring at a mirror like right above it, so today is day 6 of me putting Vaseline on my face, and tomorrow will be my last day of putting Vaseline, so yes, I do have a stuffing. Please guys, yeah, today is day 6. Tomorrow will be my last day of me putting Vaseline on my face, so I'll see you then. Bye. So hey guys, it's day 6, and yes, I am really tired. I had such a long day. I literally had exams today and loads of assignments to hand in. I'm gonna go to bed in a bit, and yeah, and you know what, yeah, I actually put Vaseline on my face and I literally had my friends complimenting me on how good my skin actually looks. So that is actually a good, plus point for me, the fact that this Vaseline is actually working. And remember I told you that I had breakouts? Seems like it's actually going. I don't have any breakouts like that. This Vaseline is working out really well for me. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Last day. Today's day 6. I'll see you on day 7. Bye. Hey guys, so yeah, it is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, because honestly I loved making this video for you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see, because I would love to make videos for you guys. And also guys, I'm literally at 863 subscribers. Please, can we reach to 900 subscribers? I really want to reach to 900 subscribers. So let's do that. Hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.